project to an outsourcing firm, and that outsourcing firm is us. Okay, and trust me, you get highly paid for that. If we grow in this thing, we get highly paid for that. All right, so guys, hello and welcome to Toffee Teens. Okay, you're the first batch of interns, and as you guys know, you are in the sales and marketing team. So, our main motto of Toffee Teens is Another Young in You. That is our headline, tagline, whatever you may call it. Okay, it's on our website, everywhere you would see it. Okay, so let's begin with the introduction of what Toffee Teens is actually. Okay, so introduction to the community. So I am Vansh Pratap Singh Rana. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I founded this community 3 months back with 6 people. Okay, like trust me, there were 6 people, and they weren't any kind of experience in content writing, freelancing, anything. They were just like truly newbies, and they didn't know anything about what freelancing is, what outsourcing is, nothing. They knew nothing. Okay, so after that, like after 6 people, we started growing, and okay, 3 people have entered the waiting room. All right, do I need to admit them again?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, let me do it. Okay, done. So yeah, so from 6 people we have now made a team, a huge team. We'll be discussing about the team later on. So what happened is, like, on the way journey, I found my co-founders. Okay, and the co-founders are Tanishk and Shubh. I believe Tanishk is here, and Shubh did not make it because he had another webinar. Okay, so skipping that part. Okay, both of them are my co-founders, and I'm the founder of the community, and we have a whole lot of team working with us right now. Okay, coming on to the next slide, and don't mind if my, you know, computer fucks it up. It's okay sometimes. All right. Okay. So this is our main motto: write and learn with us at Toffee Teens, and like, okay, earn with us also. Okay, so we make them learn some skills, and they write with us. Right. This was the initial motto of our community when we were only dealing with content writing. Okay, so basically we were a set of bloggers who started a WordPress website. Okay, and that WordPress website was doing fairly well with us 6 people, and then after that we started hiring more people. Okay, started taking in more people, and now we are a community of around 50 to 60 people. Okay, and now our startup is also registered with some things, some tie-ups and everything, so we'll be discussing about that later on. Okay, so why are we doing all these things? Because we have a certain kind of a, interest. Like, okay, some people have a kind of a hobby. Okay, I'm good in this thing, I'm good in music, I'm good in YouTubing, I'm good in voiceover, I'm good in writing. So for that same reason, like for those hobbies of yours, we are going to make you promote to that level that you can earn through your hobbies. Okay, you can make a profession in your hobby, you can make a career out of your hobby. So that is our like basic motto. All right, another motto of ours. And the last point, you can see it, being financially independent at a young age is fairly necessary in today's time. Like, this point is highly important. This is the sole purpose I was starting my own startup in this young age. I am, okay, age really doesn't matters. I won't tell you my age, but yeah, I'm fairly young. Okay, for a startup to run. So the growth. Talking about the growth of Toffee Teens, as I've already told you, we have over 60 plus people working with us now as a team, not as employees. Freelancing, as you all must know, freelancing is not general employment. Okay, freelancing is something much more greater than that. Like, I know people who are now in this meetings in this meeting, they would already know about freelancing, what exactly it is and how does it works. But we have made a freelancing community over here, and currently we are not just dealing with content writing. Okay, we are dealing with digital marketing, WordPress development, website development, social media marketing, and many more. Many more includes what all? App development, video editing, voiceover, whatever the fuck you can think of right now. Trust me, we are dealing with that. Okay, we are making people learn in that, and we are making people empower, actually the young people, the freshers. Okay, and this all happened in a very short while. That was just a time of 2 months. Trust me. And you can see the growth on our website and our social media handles. Okay, we have just started the social media handles to develop like 2 to 3 weeks back. I mean, okay, so that might not be a proper criteria to judge upon, but yeah, we have grown a lot in these 2 months, in these 2 to 3 months. Coming to a USP, okay, every startup has a USP. Toffee Teens has a USP. What is our USP actually? So we are promoting freelancing skills in India. Okay, like people who are always into books, you must all have some friends who are always into books and they are not into anything other than that. They have no hobbies, zero interest in anything. Like even my sister, okay, my own sister is into all these things. She's just into books and she's into nothing else. So that won't take her anywhere. All right, guys. Okay. So exactly. Okay. So now you must be thinking, okay, I'm into nowhere. So what do I do now? I don't have any options. What do? We actually empower the freshers. We are not promoting any, okay, this guy is okay, super in this thing. This guy is doing really great in this field. We are not promoting those guys. We are working on this niche called fresher empowerment. Okay. Every company, if you work anywhere, like any platform, if say for example you are a freelancer and you are a content writer and you want to start working right now, what do? You make an ID on any freelancing platform you wish to, like freelancer.com, Upwork, so any kind of social media you are into, like LinkedIn. It's the best thing for promotional things. So you make an idea over that and you try to build up connections, take up projects, take up work, okay, and you still don't get any because freshers are not valued in this market. But we value freshers. We value only the freshers right now. Okay, you can like trust me on that. Okay, so we do not ignore freshers. Newly skilled people have always been welcomed by top 15s, and this is really true. Okay, so what do? There are some pointers that we do on a daily basis. Trust me, we put in a lot of hard work. Even Khushbu and all the people who are listening to this meeting right now, we put in a lot of hard work daily to do a social motive, to complete the social media motive of Toffee Teens. So what do we do? Firstly, we teach the newbies. Okay, so say for example you are a digital marketer and you join us. What do you first know about digital marketing? Nothing, right? You're a fresher. You don't know anything. So what do? We teach you digital marketing. We teach you, okay, this is Google Ads. How do you do it? How do you do budgeting, bidding? We teach you everything in Google Ads. Okay, you say for example you are a content writer. We take up regular meetings on WordPress, Yoast SEO aspects, resume building. We take up all the meetings and we teach you, we empower you. Okay, we bring up the best in you in the particular field you are pursuing. Okay, after that, when you are good in the field and you show us, okay, this is my work and I'm good in it, what do? We give you hands-on project to work upon. Project means like we have a tie-up with different companies. Like for now, we have a tie-up with Dope Tech, Teens Diary, and Eat My News. Three companies. Okay, these three companies, you can search about them on internet. You will find some good reports about them. So we take a project from them, and we give it to our people, the team that is learning from us, and they learn with the startup. They work with the startup, and they get to enhance their skills all the more. Okay, so after that, when they have enhanced their skills, they have learned new skills, we tell them how they can grow individually in the skill they are pursuing and help them build their resume strong for the same. What that means is we take resume building classes. Okay, the first team that we are working with is a team, Phase B team A, that has around you can say for example 7 to 8 shortlisted projects for themselves, not for us, not for the community, for the individualistic growth. Okay, you can check in the statistics, you can talk to them. Okay, you can ask Khushbu to make a call with them. So whatever you want to do, you can like, fully research upon us. Okay, and you will find that we are growing at a very exponential rate. Okay. Okay, lastly, even if they fail at some point, we uplift them financially by giving them paid projects for the skills they have acquired with us. What that means is, okay, you are good with a skill. Okay, you are a video editor and you work with us. You work for our YouTube channel, and now you are good with video editing. You know how to post on YouTube. You know what tags is. You know what keywords are, and you are good with the thing. Okay, so we firstly give you a community to learn with. We surround you with people with your interest. Like we have video editing group. Okay, so we surround you with people who are just like you. They are video editors, they are marketing people, they are sales people, they are into pitching, or they are into social media marketing. We provide you with all the environment you need to grow in a particular field. Because you know what, trust me guys, you don't want to work in a 9 to 5 job. Okay, this corona has made a serious impact on our Indian economy. The unemployment rates have grown from like 3%, 5% to 15% at straight. Trust me, if you're an engineer or an MBA, whatever you are, jobs are declining at an exponential rate. Okay. Trust me, if you are looking for a job after 4 years, 2 years, 3 years, okay, trust me, you won't get them. Very bluntly, okay, very bluntly, you won't get them. So, what do you need to do? You need to build some skills. Okay, for the people who know Hindi over here, I don't know, like people are from South also, I know. Okay, some have contacted me. So, for the people who know Hindi over there, like, there is a friend of mine who told me, कि पहले एक जगह हलवा था, you know, there was a road and at the end of the road there was some sweets. Okay, अभी उधर हलवा नहीं है, अभी हलवा उठा के किसी ने कहीं और रख दिया है. तो अपन को क्या करना है, अपन को अपना डायरेक्शन बदलना है. ठीक है, उसके लिए अपन अगर पढ़ते रहेंगे, वी कैन क्लियर आवर डिग्रीज, वी कैन डू द एजुकेशन एंड ग्रेजुएशन स्टफ, बट वी वोंट गेट एनीवेयर. We have to change the path to get somewhere that requires us to, you know, deviate from the normal people. So that is what we do here. That is what we promote over here. We're giving you a platform to grow with us. You know, we won't believe me. People are just coming for posting the YouTube videos with us right now. We have two people who are just here with Top 18s to post their YouTube content with us, because we have a video editing guy, we have a voiceover guy. They can just give in the content and their content will be promoted on your YouTube. You can see how amazing that is. Okay, actually, we are giving people platform to hone their skills. All right. Okay, so we tie up and outsource with companies who require jobs in a niche we offer, telling them what special we do, which their employees won't. Okay, this, I know this is a very, you know, complicated point, outsourcing, tie up, and everything. Okay, very simple and straight. Outsourcing means, okay, like there's a company, say for example Google. It's too high an example. It's a far cry for us, obviously I know. But say for example we have Google. Google does what Google does. It has some work, hires some employees, and it gives the work to them. In place of that, what Google can do, we can take up the take up the work in a bundle. Okay, like social media marketing, digital marketing, advertisement, everything. They can bundle it up, and they can give it to some outsourcing firm which can do it for them. Now we understand what outsourcing is. Like bundling up a bunch of tasks and giving it in a form of a project to an outsourcing firm, and that outsourcing firm is us. Okay, and trust me, you get highly paid for that. If we grow in this thing, we get highly paid for that. You know, Dotech is outsourcing firm which we are in tie up with, and this field is currently growing. Okay, trust me, like the first time I heard about freelancing was in 2012 when one of my friend, he's currently in America, and he just, like, I don't know what he does actually. He does something about fishing and everything, you know, internet fishing, online media. I don't know what the work he does, but he was earning quite well. He has it's his own gaming mod channel on YouTube, so even that makes him quite a buck. So like online media is the, you know, need of the hour. So you need to work upon this. You need to hone your skills in online media. In Corona, we are not allowed to go outside already. Okay, so what one thing we have is a laptop and our phones. If you can make something out of these two things, no, trust me, your parents will be so proud of you. Trust me on that. Okay. Okay, so we take in people just like you as interns, teach them the skill they are doing the internship for. So okay, say for example you guys are doing the internship for marketing and sales. All right, marketing and sales. And if any questions you can ask in the chat, I won't reply right now. Okay, you can just, you know, bundle up the questions if any. I don't think so. Like I would be answering all of it, queries and doubts in the meeting itself. So you won't have any questions, but still, if you have it, you can just, you know, keep a note of it. Okay, so you are an intern for the marketing team. All right. So for the marketing team, what do we do? Okay, like if you apply on any other platform, trust me, any other, you try it out. Okay, try it out. Apply for marketing and sales internship on any other platform. Internshala, Prap, apply it, do it, go ahead. My guarantee. Okay, my guarantee, they won't teach you a penny, because I have done many sales and marketing internships till now. Like I have done around what, 4 to 5 of them, because I've been doing internship from what, like past 1 year or 2 years, I don't know. But I've done it a lot of times, and I know people don't teach it. They just expect you what? They'll tell you, okay, go on our YouTube channel, like all the videos, subscribe to our channel, and, you know, go on our social media posts, like them, share them, get some followers. That is what they ask of you. But they won't teach you how. Okay, so in our internship, you will get to know how do we do all these things. In a marketing strategy, you will get to know the content planning. You will get to know how to pitch the company. There are a lot of things that you would get from us. Trust me, when you leave this internship in 1 month, you would be a changed man or a girl, like whatever you are, actually. Okay, so the last point, trust me, the things we teach here would cost you thousands in the teaching market to learn. We do it here for free. I've already told you, like, it's a completely free thing. Okay, it's a free and open community. Like obviously you are interns for us, so you would be having your own perks, own certification and everything. That is a thing I really don't care about. Okay, that's secondary thing. But what I care about right now is educating the youth. That something is there that you can do right now in the lockdown period that can improve you as a person. All right, so okay, let's go on to the next slide because we have less of time. Okay, so the social side of it, social side of Top 18s means we are, and we always will be, a social initiative too. Okay, this free service makes us social entrepreneurs. Also, it fulfills our main motto of promoting freelancing skills in India. Okay, so we promote freelancing skills in India, I already told you, and it makes us a social initiative as well. Okay, we are a social initiative. We promote teachings of freelancing uh, without any cost. That is our USP. Okay, we teach highly paying skills for free, and when you work with us as a team, you leave as a gentleman. We work on your communication skills and leadership skills as well by allotting you teams to handle meetings to take. What does what that hodgepodge point means actually is that we don't really just teach you the skills. We believe in a term called network learning. Okay, you must have heard about network marketing till now. I am sure like you must have fallen in the trap of Vestige, Ebiz, CIPL, Kenzen. There are a lot of companies in network marketing right now. Okay, I consider it a trap because I never got successful in it. Okay, but if you have, that's very good. Okay, but for me it's a trap. Okay, so what I mean is I believe in not network marketing but network learning. What we do over here is like we teach the person to a particular level, and then we give that person some particular team to teach, to transfer their learnings. That is called network learning. I taught to 6 people in the starting. Those 6 people taught to other 12 people, and now those 12 people are having their own teams teaching their own people. Okay, let me admit this. I got up too. All right, so we are 21 now. That's fairly good. All right, so hi Sai Gaurav, another part of it. Coming on to the next thing, next slide. Okay, my laptop is another time fucking it up. Just a second, guys. Hmm. Yeah, okay, got it. So, what will be your role as an intern? That is the basic part of it. That's the motto of the meeting. Okay, so you must
Hello.
have. Hello.
Hello. Vansh, just wanted to inform you that we have approximately 15 minutes for this meeting to be over. Okay, so if
15
you can
minutes.
cover up in that.
Yeah, all right, done. Surely, I'll do it. Okay, so running past as the time is not allowing us. So that means what is your role as an intern? So you must have heard about the certification, LOR, and the affiliate commission. That is one thing. You'll get them obviously. Though I would suggest you all to work with us not for the perks, but for the skills you would be taking away. That is like self-explanatory. All right. Sales and marketing, the main thing. Okay. No career, trust me, successful without the correct set of marketing skills. This point is very initiative, like very intuitive. Okay, what does that mean is like marketing would be after you every time you run for your any of your career. Okay, like you are an engineer, you are a lawyer, you're a psychiatrist. Trust me, once a guy called me, like he's a psychologist actually, so he would be opening his own startup currently. Nikhil, his name is Nikhil. So he called me. He needed a marketing team. I gave him some people. So like that is the thing. Like marketing is everywhere. Okay, you will learn all. You will all learn the best marketing skills here for free, and would get an opportunity to apply those skills with us. Okay, you would be working under two niches: social media marketing and company pitching. These are the two things that you would be working on in the first week. You would be working on the social media marketing, and don't worry, we would not ask you, the cliche things that people ask you to do in the marketing internships. We would teach you. We would give you some very awesome points and awesome knowledge that you would be able to apply with us and with your career itself. Like in the marketing career, you would be looking forward through. And trust me, career in marketing is super right now, especially in digital marketing. Okay, super word is for the South Indian people who are right now with us, if any. Okay, the task would be updated regularly in the WhatsApp groups by your team leaders. Okay, regular sessions would be happening for the skill set we provide you with. Trust me, they won't bore you. Okay, some laugh. Okay, do you need to be formal? No, not at all. Speak and blurt out whatever you feel. What we expect from you is professionalism, commitment, and ability to learn. Okay, so whatever we teach, you know, to grasp it immediately and should be able to apply that in whatever task that we give you. Okay, I really hope you get what you came looking for here, and you both won't disappoint each other. Okay, disappointment is not a thing actually, because I know you people are here for a purpose. You people are here for learning, and we would give you that. And for us, you people are an asset. Okay, and an asset, like it has a responsibility to, outgrow the company. So we expect you that you would be doing that. Okay, in the first week we will teach you social media marketing, already told you. After that we will give you some tasks based upon the sessions that you would need to apply. Okay, already told you this too. Best of luck, interns. Company pitching also has an affiliate benefits. Okay, something relatable to money that you can earn, that will be informed on later. Because if you perform good in the first week of it in the social media marketing, we would obviously start up with the pitching part of the game, and that is the major thing that we need to learn. Because every marketing internships, projects, or whatever job you apply to in future, they would require you to pitch companies for projects. Okay, handle some clients. Okay, you must have heard a lot about this. Okay, कि मेरा ये client है, मेरा वो client है, मेरे पास ये बंदा आया हुआ है. Okay, you must have heard a lot about all these things. And trust me, like, we'll teach you how to deal with them, how to cold call, how to email market, how to pitch companies on various platforms. And in the social media marketing, we would be informing you what all steps would be there in the further meetings. So I hope you would all like really attend the meetings with full ears. है ना? And if we like your work, then you can be part of. This is the point I was coming to in the last few minutes. If you work really well in the internship, okay, trust me. Okay, certification and everything, commission, earning the money, it's a, it's a secondary thing. But the primary thing that we offer you, that you can be a part of the team in the sales and marketing group if you want to, or if you want to try some other skills that we are offering, then you would be getting into that too. But yeah, you need something to show. Okay, like, okay, I want to go into digital marketing, so I have this thing, I have this interest, or I've done this thing in digital marketing. Okay, you need to show some interest in that. So you're already interested in sales and marketing, and that is why you are here in this internship. So we would be teaching you. Different people would be taking your sessions, like sometimes me, Khushbu, Shubh, Tanishk. We have a whole lot of people. We would be giving you some more insights on copywriting, content writing, video editing, whatever you want to know about. Okay, we would be taking short sessions on that too. Okay, so like we can even add you in our own team, like the team which is 60 plus and still counting. And now, like, I consider that you all are also a part of the team too. Okay, so hope to see you all working, and have a good day. And now I'm welcoming you for all the questions or doubt you have, if any. And if you don't, like, feel free to Khushbu, is there anything that is left, or something you want to say, to the interns or to the heads?
No, probably you've shared everything. I just want that interns, if you have any doubts, you can ask from your team heads, or you can directly contact me or Vansh or anyone. Like, you can see he's quite friendly and welcome to all the questions. So whatever you want to learn, and whatever, if you want to give some suggestions regarding whatever we can do, so you are highly welcome. And for now, if you have any questions, you can type in the chat box. We can take up a few questions. We have like 8 minutes.
Uh-huh. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. The guy who spoke right now. Okay, I don't think so. It was anyone. Okay, I would request the team head to just stay for a little while over here. And if you have any questions, you can just. Okay, I don't know really. Okay, chat. All right. I've never really used Zoom before, but I didn't really attend my college classes too. Okay, so chat room is still empty. It's all right. If you don't have any questions, it's all right. If anyone has some questions, you can just unmute and ask me, if any. Like, some boys are, I think so. Some people should show some activity. Anyone, if they want to. I'll be just counting to 10 seconds in my mind, and we can all stay silent for that. Okay, someone is
How
there.
did you come up
Uh-huh.
with the name Toffee Teens?
Aha, that's a question I have heard a lot of time. Trust me. Okay, like, so. Oh, okay. You know the logo right now we have, no, the purple logo. Actually, that is the color of my wall.
Yes.
Okay, the wall I have.
Okay.
Okay, and I was playing, the pass and throw with my sister one day, and the color really matches, and that was with the ball, and the color with the, like, okay, there was a ball and there was a wall, so we combined both of things, and like that came with our logo. Okay, so like that
Okay.
logo was matching with the toffee kind of a thing, the candies we have. So I came up
Yeah.
with a toffee, and I was like into something that, okay, this thing is something relatable to youth or teens. Okay, so like there was a toffee and there was a teen, and this name is like SEO optimized as well, because these are two uncommon like common words making together an uncommon word. So if you search on the internet, you won't find anything other than us in the name of Toffee Teens. Okay, even on the website, social media, anywhere you can search. No, Toffee Teens is a very special name and like nothing, like कुछ है ही नहीं उसके अलावा और कोई नाम नहीं है उसका. तुम like you search on Instagram as well. Okay, every username has some suggestions more, but in our case, Instagram would tell you, okay, we don't have any suggestions with Toffee Teens, just us. Okay, so that is the answer to your question. Anything else? Okay, some guy, some girl, nothing. Khushbu, how much time do we have in that meeting still left?
5-7 minutes.
5-7 minutes. All right. So if there is no questions now, so we can just end the meeting, and I would request the people, the heads, to just stay here for a while and we can like discuss some things I wanted to discuss with you. Okay, Khushbu, so they can leave now, people. All right, guys. See you then. Bye bye. Okay, 13 people.
Once we can leave this meeting and start with the another one with the heads, okay?
Yeah, all right. Sure.
Okay. You can end the meeting.
All right. Let me see
There
how
is
to do that.
Red color end.
All right.